Welcome to Misa Macrame. So here I'm again making the bauble decoration. As you can see, this is the one we are going to create. For this I have taken 2 mm twisted cotton cord, and this is the natural color cotton cord. You can use any color of your choice, and I have taken black color bauble for this. And then I have taken 10 cords of 28 inches long, and you can see the first cord I have just folded into half and pinned it down in the middle, and I'm going to add 9 cords onto it. So basically I'm going to add on both sides of the pin because pin is in the middle, so I'm going to add 4 on one side and 5 on one side using dark head knot. You can see I'm folding the cords into half, and then I'm creating the dark head knot onto the main cord which I pinned in the beginning. And now once you added all 9 cords onto it, we will start creating alternate half hitch knots. So you can see here, you can see that we have 9 cords added all together. Now I'm taking 2 or 1 cord added, and then I start making alternate half hitch knots. So you can see here I have just taken one from side. You can start from any side, and I'm going to create 6 hitch knots and leave the rest of the cards. And I'm going to do this with all 9 cords. So you can see I'm just keeping to create half hitch knot, 6 of these, and remember to create from the same side you did so basically tie the same side half hitch knot, first half hitch knot you did for the first one, so that it looks the same, basically even. If we are starting from the different sides, it does look uneven. Okay, so here you can see we have completed all 9 cords like that, and now I'm going to take both ends of the main cord and then tie using double hitch knot. So create 1 double hitch knot so that it is tied properly, and then create again using these 2 cords alternate half hitch knot the way we did for the rest 9 cords, 9 lines basically. And so it will be based as circular angle. Here you can see with the same 6 alternate hitch cords. Okay, once the all 10 lines are ready, I am going to join these. First I'm just testing whether it will fit. So it's definitely going to fit. It is even ready for the so the bauble was 3 to 4 inches diameter, and I think it can even fit for the 5 to 6 inches diameter bauble, so even bigger one. And here, yeah, we can see it was even a little loose as well. So here now what I'm going to do alternate cords and take one from one side line and then one from one side line. Okay, and then I'm starting to create the same number of the alternate hitched knots, and then I'll be doing the same with the rest of them. and that will be all, and then we will be tying at the bottom. Okay, so here you can see I have finished all of the lines except one, which I'm going to do now, and then pop in the bauble inside. Okay, so after popping the bauble, you can see I am just pulling all the ends down, and I'm now going to use 6-inch cord to create a wrapping head knot here. So I'm going to tie just wrapping knot, and then pull down all the ends from lines, all the ends cords of the bauble pattern, and then we will be cutting them short altogether, not exactly short, equal altogether, and then the bauble pattern is ready. Here you can see before cutting the equal length, the extra cords, I am just pulling them down so that we have it ready, and then we're going to just cut them short, and then the bauble will be ready to decorate your tree. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you like the tutorial, and please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.